There are hundreds of species of birds you will find in coastal Florida. First are the wading birds like herons and egrets. Majestic of all is the great blue heron. You will also find the little blue heron and the tiny green heron. As for egrets, there's the beautiful snowy egret. And if you're lucky, you'll see the odd but beautiful roseate spoonbill. Along the coast, you may spot the cormorant, while along the rivers, you'll find his cousin, the anhinga, drying his wings. On the inland sandy dunes, you can't miss the large hill sand cranes. The Florida coast is also home to many birds of prey, like our national symbol, the bald eagle, to the ever-present osprey. Different times of the year, there are also hundreds of species of ducks migrating through the state. Many species do call the state home, like the spectacularly colorful wood duck. Whether it's wading birds, birds of prey, or ducks, you'll find hundreds of birds while birding along coastal Florida.